Hello, Licenciado Solórzano. My name is Graciela Guerra. In this video, I'm going to talk about gage marriage. So, what is gage marriage? Gage marriage, also recognized as equal marriage, marriage between people of the same sex, is the union between two people of the same sex biologically and legally, which is agreed to certain rights of legal formalities, to establish and maintain a community of life and interests. Nowadays, in Latin America, same-sex marriage is fully recognized in the laws of Argentina, Uruguay, Brazil, and Mexico. The first country to pass the gay marriage law is the Republic of Ireland in 2015. This day was for them one of the best. Many people cried when they saw that 62% of the vote was in favor, obtaining the right to marry the same gender. That is amazing. In 20 countries they support this law. Some of the countries are the United States, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, Uruguay, Spain, Ireland, Iceland, Belgium, and France. Interesting data. Belgium and Spain are the only countries that allow adoption of children. Mexico City is the only region in Latin America where homosexuals have the same rights as heterosexual couples to marry and adopt children. Uruguay allows homosexuals to adopt children, but not to marry. The International LGBT Pride Day, also known as Gay Pride Day, is celebrated every year on June 28 and consists of a series of events that different groups carry out publicly to fight for equality of dignity of gay, lesbian, bisexual, or transsexual people. Gay Pride is celebrated around the world to promote tolerance, equal rights before the law, non-discrimination, and the dignity of LGBT people. What is my opinion about gay marriage? Personally, I do not agree with this. My values have been different from what society seems of something normal. I clarify that we all have the right to be free, and I respect it. This whole system confuses children about their future sexuality, and they are our future. Something important, I believe in God, and He is perfect. He made man and woman so that they both help each other. Proposal to improve. To promote values of respect and tolerance at the school worldwide from an early age, and support and learn about topics, focuses of these legal subjects. I know that changing people's mindsets is difficult, but nothing is impossible. So, thank you so much for watching this video.